ka? Spreading good vibes from me to yours. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening kung saan ka mang sulok ng mundo ngayon. Welcome to my channel and thank you for watching my videos. Baby! Tara! Kayo kagas ako! Diyan, kane. Kayo kagas ako? He loves me. He loves me not. He loves me. He loves me not. He loves me. Kane. Kayo kagas ako? If you're looking for an island life experience, come with me, and this is the best place to be. Welcome to Vita Isola Leisure Farm, only here at Sandingan Island of Loon, Bohol, Philippines. For today's video, guys, I will bring and welcome you to Vita Isola, the place where you can connect yourself in one-in-a-million experience away from city life. But before that, let me thank first my super chatters and my random supporters in my previous live streaming and premiere. Mommy and Ellie Vlog, Pinay Brazilian Family, Joy Cabargada, Mingming Martel, Baby Mo Channel, Aberdeen's Wonder, Islander, Netski TV, Ellen Kiss Vlog, and Marie Ann Nimoto. I would like also to thank my random supporters, Gugma Bars, Baklayana Hayiktin, Annabelle Javier, Sincerely M, Ronnie Rocha Vlog, Simply A Missing, Pinoy Life in America, JCVG TV, and Akil's Life in USA. I can't let you wait to see the beauty that nature has offered. Stay tuned and enjoy watching this video. Inspiration comes from everywhere. Whether it's as small as a bee or as large as a picturesque landscape, something or someone around us can capture our imagination as well as encourage us to do something we enjoy and benefit from. Inspired by an article on Costales Nature Farm that was published in an issue of Agriculture Monthly, Raymond Michael B. Roldan, a former entrepreneur who engaged in trading and marketing businesses, managed to take the first step in building his dream farm. In 2016, he and his wife decided to build a rest house in the countryside and grow their own food so they can be sure that it's pesticide-free, fresh, and healthy. They later decided to open it up to the public at a perfect time. It was around the time when the Republic Act 10816, otherwise known as the Farm Tourism Act, was approved. Roldan then promptly applied and became Bohol's first and only Department of Tourism Accredited Farm Tourism Destination at that time. Presently, Roldan is the proud proprietor of Vita Isola Leisure Farm in Bohol, which is a natural farm that highlights the island life, as it says so in its name, which is Italian for island life. As a farm tourism destination, Vita Isola has various amenities, which include a natural farm and aquaculture tour, a farm-to-table restaurant, an infinity pool and gazebo with a stunning ocean view, an open-air pavilion, aqua activities such as snorkeling, kayaking, and swimming, and a mangrove tour, among many other features. He began submitting basic documents such as an appropriate permit for the local government unit, a list of the farm's personnel, which includes its officers, owners, as well as its guides, and a Department of Trade and Industry registration for sole proprietorship and a registration for corporations from the Securities and Exchange Commission. Aside from these documents, the farm must comply to a minimum standard requirements, which are as follows. Situated in a generally safe and peaceful location. Must have a reception or information center, a parking area, a dining or multi-purpose area, a souvenir shop or mini trading area, a restaurant, firefighting facilities, wash areas, and restrooms. Farm guides and security personnel must be present in the vicinity. Farm resorts must have accommodations for their guests. Support infrastructure facilities such as road, electricity, water, and communication. Safety signages and first aid kits are available around the property. Lastly, must have garbage cans and follow proper waste and disposal management. Roldan said that it is important to consider these basic things right from the start and to also consider the more important things that would ensure success as a farm tourism site, such as a unique selling proposition and how to properly market to target customers. And for those who are already engaged in farming, Roldan advises that to take their farm to the next step by considering farm tourism, since it adds value and income to a farm while being able to share the joy of farming with others. The owner initially hired a consultant to teach and train workers on natural farming. He also attended online seminars to complement these efforts by making themselves and their farm employees knowledgeable about natural farming. Vita Isola produces various vegetables such as different kinds of lettuce, local vegetables like ampalaya, eggplant, okra, pechay, beans, tomatoes, squash, radish, carrots, and herbs, which includes stevia, peppermint, Moroccan mint, basil, dill, tarragon, oregano, and many more. Roldan added that they also asked for technical assistance and sourced their livestock from their local Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources. Most of the farm's produce is used as ingredients for their farm-to-table restaurant. Any excess is sold to local restaurants, friends, and guests at competitive prices. He admitted farming is a challenging enterprise compared to his trading and marketing businesses. In farming, you have to properly prepare the soil before you can plant and have to consistently and patiently tend to it and apply the necessary nutrients for it to grow. Then you have to promptly consume or sell it since it is a perishable product. On top of this, you are exposed to the elements of nature and have to adjust to the local culture of the workers and strike a balance in order to effectively manage. To succeed and sustain in farming, you have to be passionate about it. When it comes to succeeding in farming like Roldan did, he advises those who want to go into farming to learn about it to avoid losses and heartaches. Most importantly, Roldan stresses the importance of starting out small, since no amount of seminar or reading can replace first-hand experience in farming. Thanks to that issue of Agriculture Monthly, Roldan made the first step to making his farming dream come true, which he now enjoys and learns from. As for those who are still waiting for the right push to jumpstart their farming career, inspiration can come in all forms. One just needs to keep their eyes and minds open should that opportunity present itself. Vita Isola means island living. It's a way of life. More than just a premier destination north of Bohol, it offers you a place to reconnect with yourselves. Experience the beautiful island life here at Vita Isola. Behold, Bohol.
Have you ever met someone you could not get mad at? Have you ever been in love so deep there's no way out? I wish I could explain your eyes and how the sound of your voice gives me butterflies. How your smile makes my heart skip a beat. How every time I'm with you I feel so complete. So complete. You are the light when there is no sun. You are the rainbow when the rain is done. You are the wind that whistles my name. You are the love when the world's the same. You are the star that twinkles in the night. You are the moon that shines so bright. You are the wind that whistles my name. You are the love when the world's the same. Have you ever met someone you felt like he's the one? Have you ever loved so much it almost hurt? I wish I could explain your eyes and how the sound of your voice gives me butterflies. How your smile makes my heart skip a beat. How every time I'm with you I feel so complete. So complete. You are the light when there is no sun. You are the rainbow when the rain is done. You are the wind that whistles my name. You are the love when the world's the same. You are the star that twinkles in the night. You are the moon that shines so bright. You are the wind that whistles my name. You are the love when the world's the same.
With swimming here at Vita Isola, and aside from that, I also enjoyed the scenery that the resort offers to their guests. And at this point, I really would like to say thank you to the management of Vita Isola because they were able to capture my heart as I was enjoying the beauty of nature. So by the time pandemic is already gone, and I'm inviting you guys to please visit and consider one of your bucket list Vita Isola here at Sandingan Island, Loon, Bohol, Philippines. Bye-bye! Shoutout time! Guys, who keeps me going and inspired to continue vlogging are my channel members who keeps on supporting my videos. And at this point in time, I would like to acknowledge and thank my channel members. Please release me. All About Maku, Pesser Motovlog, Sharon Quintero Manalo, Virong's Vlog, Jomel Pitong, Sassy Islander, Italiano, Princess and Leslie Gotcha, By Sikad, Charlamier TV, Photography, CCW Westgate, Wakoy Kwarta, Netski TV, Dayan Kaibot, Nina Nabong, Aberdeen Suwander, Jovelyn Mirambel, The Punders Vlog, MS Day TV, Genvi Pratt, Atinet's Vlog, Baby Mo Channel, FPJ OFW Vlog, Papa J 81 Vlog, Mommy and Ellie Vlog, Simply Alinit's Tutorials, and Susain Costemiano. Guys, tune in to their channels, watch, like, comment, and subscribe, and they will get back to you soon. Thank you! Truly, I really had a great time here at Vita Isola Leisure Farm. So for more updates of my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification bell. Bye-bye! Meron pa kayang kakasa sa Kembo Challenge? Do this.